Hello, my name is Casey, and this is my informative speech on pollution. How often do you see someone wear one of these? It's expected to see these worn in a hospital, dental office, or maybe even a nail salon. But is it expected to see these worn outdoors in public? Sadly, these days it is. More and more people are wearing masks in the US because they're afraid of the air that we breathe. Sounds crazy, but sadly, the air we breathe is polluted. Some states more polluted than others. But pollution is not only in the air that we breathe, it's also in the food that we eat and the water we drink. Today I'm going to share with you some interesting facts about pollution and how harmful it is to us. I'm also going to share with you some ways we can all help prevent pollution. What exactly is pollution anyways? Well, the definition on wikipedia.org for pollution is the introduction of contaminants into a natural environment that cause instability, disorder of the brain, harm or discomfort to the ecosystem, physical systems, or living organisms. Pollution can take form of chemical substances or energy such as noise, heat, or light. Some history on pollution. Pollution became an issue after World War II because of atomic bombs. Later, a non-nuclear event called the Great Smog, which took place in London, killed at least 4,000 people in 1952. This led to the Clean Air Act of 1956. Now that we know a little bit of history and how pollution started, I'm going to read some ways pollution still affects us today from DoSomething.org. Did you know 46% of America's lake and rivers are too polluted for swimming, fishing, or any other aquatic life? 1.2 trillion gallons of storm and sewage water, along with industrial waste, are mixed into U.S. waters annually. Also, drinking water is a major problem for roughly half of the world's population due to pollution. I read that each year there are about 250 million water-based diseases, resulting in 5 to 10 million deaths. Now let's talk a little bit about vehicles. Vehicle exhaust contributes to about 60% of carbon monoxide nationwide. Also, every year, one American produces at least 3,285 pounds of hazardous waste. After hearing these disturbing facts, the question is, what can we do to help this issue? Turns out, helping is simple. By parking your car for just one day, instead of driving, could keep over a pound of pollution out of the air. When you carpool, an average car with a driver and 2 passengers decreases 2/3 of carbon dioxide per person per mile. Also, reusing items, such as using them to craft, can help the environment. And last but certainly not least, recycling plays a huge part in helping our environment. Product containers, such as this bottle, has a recycle symbol on it. This should be a hint to recycle. The harm pollution causes to the environment as well as ourselves has been brought to my attention when I moved to California from Florida about a month ago and could actually see the pollution in the air. I am proud to say that my husband and I have started recycling and now use one car. Thank you for your time, and I hope you too start to practice some of these simple ways and make our environment a better place.